So, dili na kaya, G.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sure, Mike lang.
Touch rap ko.
Di, mali ko kayo mag-promote yung event.
Wow.
Ay!
Since good and bad, whether or not ang stock market high or low, dapat ko sa seafront. So, while high ang market, I'm promoting an event. That's it. And by the way, and before anything else, happy birthday, sir, yesterday. Virgo, sir, no? September 20, Virgo, right? Yes, belated happy birthday.
Si Sir Yol.
Since ako nun ni Eric September, birthday yapon niya, di ba? Birthday month. Ano po na yung event for the brokers on the Philippines?
Birthday.
Yeah.
English, makulo ko sa buko. Uy, no ko. Bisaya, nabi ako.
So, it's going to be on Monday for all real estate brokers and real estate practitioners in the Philippines. We have a seminar on Monday, September 23 in Pasig City. So, it's going to be about MLS listing and anti-illegal practice of real estate. Kaya mamaligyan tag-yuta ang mga condo subdivision in the area. Tayo balaod special law ang RA 9646. So, ang mga kolorong madakpan na sila. Muna try checkpoint sa LTO ba? Pwede sila nagpunong madakpan. So, we have a seminar for anti-illegal practice of real estate on Monday. Just promoting an event. And by the way, thank you once again, Seafront, sa sponsorship sa Singles for Christ.